Good morning, students. Yesterday we had studied past tense. Now today we will study present tense and its subparts. As I told you that there are three types of tense: past, present and future. And these three tenses are further subdivided into four subkinds. Means each tense has four subkinds. And I had explained you the past tense and its subkinds, etc. Now today is the time for present tense. What is present tense? First, present tense is the time which is continuing just right now. That is present. The time which we had spent is past. The time which come is future. And the time we are just spending now, right now, that is present. So the first is simple present. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a general statement of truth at the present time, and its structure is subject plus V5 plus O. What is V5? V5 is the verb plus S or ES. Before continuing, I am just explaining the use of V5. Where we use V5? As we know, there are three persons: first person, second person, third person. First person singular, first person plural. First person singular is I, first person plural we, second person singular you, second person plural you, third person singular he, she, it, and third person plural is they. So we use V5 only with the third person singular number. Again I am repeating, we use V5 only with the third person singular number, that is he, she, it, or any single name, not plural, singular, any single name, third person. First person is the speaker, second person is the listener, and third person is the person about which we are talking. So we use V5 only with the third person singular number. So the structure of simple present tense: subject plus V5 plus object. Example, I eat a mango. But if the subject is she, means third person singular number, then we use V5, means she eats a mango. Now the second is, I think you are clear. Now the second is present continuous. What is present continuous? Present continuous, the action is going on, is still going on. It we have not finished, it's still going on. Its structure is subject plus is am are plus V4 plus object. V4 means V1 plus ing. So I am eating an apple is the example of present continuous. Now the use of is, am, are. As we know, am is only used with I. Are plural, first person plural, second person singular and plural, and third person plural. We use are. And is third person singular, means he, she, it, or any name. So the structure is subject plus is, am, are plus V4 plus O object. So I am eating an apple is the example. Now present perfect. This is used for an action that happened in the past and finished few moments ago. Its structure is subject plus has, have plus V3 plus object. Again the use of has, have. So for using have, has, we have to focus again on the person. We use has with third person singular number, means he, she, it, or any name. And we use have with the rest of the persons first person singular plural, second person singular plural, and third person plural. So the structure is subject plus has have plus bh3 plus object. So example, I have eaten an apple, she has eaten an apple. Now the present perfect continuous. Perfect plus continuous. So for perfect we will use has have. For continuous we use b4, that is b1 plus ing. So the present perfect continuous is used for an action that was happening for a length of the time up to present moment, means which any action which we started but haven't finished, it is still continuing. Its structure is subject plus has have plus been, B-E-E-N, been plus b4 plus object. Example, I have been eating an apple, she has been eating an apple, they have been eating an apple, etc. Now the use of since for. Yesterday I told you with the same past perfect continuous use of since for. If a particular time, a particular moment of time, a particular day, a particular month, then we use since. But if it's a lump sum of time, then we use for. If the sentence is given, he is working 5 hours, it means 5 hours can begin from 6 a.m., can begin 9 a.m. It means not the accurate time. Then we use for, means he has been working for 5 hours. But if the example is given, he has been working Monday, then Monday is a particular moment of time. So we use in such case since.